the body of trophozoite is surrounded by the plasma lemma. Here the cytoplasm will be differentiated into outer ectoplasm, inner endoplasm. The ectoplasm is an outer clear non-granules. Here there is no granules. Inner endoplasm. See, inner endoplasm is the granular one. They having a ribosomes and they having a food vacuoles and cartwheel shaped nucleus. This is the food vacuoles and cartwheel shaped nucleus. Keep in mind, food vacuoles and cartwheel shaped nucleus is a characteristics of a trophozoite stage. However, contractile vacuoles, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus and mitochondria is absent. Now when the mitochondria is absent, they can go for the obligated anaerobical nature. I already said, without very less amount of oxygen also the organism will be survive due to the absence of the mitochondria. And then Entamoeba histolytica. It can produce a proteolytical enzyme that is called as a histolysin. By the presence of a histolysin enzyme, it is called as a Entamoeba histolytica. Due to this effect of this enzyme, the mucosa and submucosa of the gut wall, it means in the large intestine, mucosa and submucosa is present. In this alimentary canal, the inner region is called as a, this is the lumen. This is the body cavity of alimentary canal, lumen. And this is the mucosa and this one is the submucosa. By the presence of this enzyme, it can dissolve the mucosa and submucosa. When both will be dissolved, what will happen? The blood will be comes out. The blood and some tissue debris will be comes out. Now this blood and tissues is filled in the food vacuoles. That's why now the what will happen, this food vacuoles with the RBC is the best characters we can identifying the trophozoite stage. That's why hence the food vacuoles are with the erythrocytes, that is the RBC, and also they having a fragmented epithelial cells and also they having a bacteria. The mode of nutrition is the holozoic. Holozoic indicates cutting of the food particles into the small particles. Presence of RBC in the food vacuoles and cartwheel shaped nucleus is a characteristic features of trophozoite stage. ఓకే, మనం బాగా తినేసామనుకో, తినేసిన తర్వాత ఎక్కడన్నా కదులుతామా? కదలలేము. తిన్న ఫుడ్ మనం ఏం చేసుకుంటాం? స్టోర్ చేసుకుంటాం. దట్స్ వై ప్రీ-60 స్టేజ్ దట్ బాగా తినేసిన తర్వాత ఇంక తింటామా? తినలేం. దట్స్ వై ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ నాన్ ఫీడింగ్ అండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ నాన్ ప్యాథోజెనిక్. బట్ trophozoite stage is the feeding and it's a pathogenical stage of Entamoeba histolytica. That is found in the lumen of large intestine, in this region, lumen of the large intestine. And it is small, spherical or oval, non-motile, they are not able to move. The cytoplasm of the parasitical stage stores the glycogen and chromatid bodies made up of a ribonucleic proteins which can acting as a reserve of food materials.